Welcome to our review of the Strike Bitcoin app, the platform that's making waves in the cryptocurrency world. Let's take a look at the user interface. It's designed for ease of navigation, making it simple for anyone to use, even if you're new to Bitcoin. Strike allows you to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin with just a few taps. It aims to simplify your crypto trading experience. The app supports diverse payment methods, including bank transfers and both debit and credit cards, giving you flexibility in transactions. Understanding the fee structure is essential. We'll break down transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and any potential hidden costs. Security is a top priority. The app employs two-factor authentication and encryption to ensure your Bitcoin investments are safe. Customer support is available through multiple channels. Let's see how effective they are in assisting users. What are users saying? We'll review the feedback from existing users to understand their experiences. In comparison to other Bitcoin apps, Strike has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's break those down. So, is the Strike Bitcoin app worth it for potential users? After our deep dive, here are our final thoughts.